Hey there YouTube. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and setup of this dcon covered mouse trap. Got this on Amazon for $6 shipped roughly, and it is a 2-pack. Easy as that. If you've ever tried to use a normal mouse trap before, you know that it's like playing Russian roulette with your fingertips, and these are a great solution. Plus it's good because the mouse can't eat from the side of the trap if it was fully exposed. This way they have to actually go in there and eat the food and get killed. Don't want to do it, but dead mice in your walls stink. It's easy enough to use. You just pop open this door here. You bait it like any other mouse trap in there. And then you just pull this arm back until it clicks. And there's even a red indicator on the kill bar, I guess you could call it, to let you know that it's set. Let's do that one more time. Okay, it looks like they're not foolproof. They are sensitive. So maybe don't set this until you're ready to leave it alone. I'm going to put this thing to the ringer actually and see if it breaks, because on my wooden traps a lot of times it'll break apart and the little spring action will come out of the board. Let's see how many times this will fire. Well, I think this is pretty durable. And only put a little bit of peanut butter inside the little cup in there. Because otherwise it won't set and then you'll be scratching your head. I barely have any on the platform now. It's all in the little bowl or cup there. Now let's see if it'll let me set it. There we go.